How to add opening hours to Wix. So within the Wix website editor, we want to search for date. And once we type date here, then you should be able to see this date and time picker. If we click on it, then it will take us to this section or selection here for the different calendar types that we want to add. And we also have a specific time picker and also the calendars like I just said. So for this, I will use this type of calendar and I'm going to simply drag and drop it onto my website. Now I'll show you how we can set this up as well. Once we have this selected, you will see settings right above it. And if we click on it, then we can do opening hours as the time here. We can show initial text and we choose the date format here as well. So month, day, year. And if we go to calendar here, we can actually set this up. So we can set the active days. For example, let's say we don't work on Saturdays and Sundays. We will simply uncheck those and we have to select when our week starts. So for this, it's automatically going to be on Monday. So I will leave it like so. And here we can add available dates. So when can we begin this? For example, let's do March, and we are going to work from the 4th until the 8th of March here. And people can book and choose opening hours from this menu here. So from the 4th of March until the 8th of March. And we can also add unavailable days here. For example, from the 9th of March until the 10th of March, like so. And basically after you have set this up, you will just close this and people will be able to see when you are available and when you aren't available. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.